Last day on our trip, going to Lake Maynara. What do you want to see today? Everything. What are we going for? What's the animal of the day? We did rhinos and lions. What's the leopards? Leopards. Oh, I don't know. They're camouflaged. Predatory cats. Predatory cats. That's all we need. All right, we were warned. We had some luck super early with the monkeys and the baboons, tons of them in the forest. We saw a leopard turtle and more zebra wildebeest and a ton of birds. If you are a bird watcher, Marty Coppinger, if you love birds, this is absolutely the place for you. There's thousands of different, well, I think he said 300 and something different types or species of birds, but it feels like a lot more than that. I've never seen so many birds in my life, different types. It's cool getting to go in and out of kind of the jungle area and being on the water's edge, and also ducking back into the forest, and it's a little cooler in there. But we were after the big cats today, some leopards or something like that, and we have come up short thus far. But we just stopped for stretch our legs and a restroom break. But we're gonna have lunch here in a little bit, and then hopefully after that we will get lucky in the heat of the day with the cats just laying around. Fingers crossed. Sounds like we are going to call it quits on the safari. Once it gets hot, the animals retreat back into the forest, and we don't have much hope on seeing a bunch of new animals. So instead, we're gonna go hit up the Maasai village on our way back to the hotel. Super excited about that. That's one of the native tribes here in Tanzania. So stay tuned.
So guys, this is the typical houses of the Maasai, and actually the women make the houses, but they share how to build. Okay, so the whole women, they build today here, and another day, another week, share the house. So normally they use the branches of tree, which is, they prefer acacia because acacia is very hard wood. Okay? So they make a house like around like this, and like this, and like this.
Oh, okay.
So this is the door, and the bed they put in, like they divide here the beds. So, and here is a kitchen.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So, and they're using the cow dung. This is a cow. I mean, cow dung. They use the cow dung, and some they put the some of refuges on the top.
Makes sense. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, and they're learning.
Yeah, they learn. They try to write and reading, and then we have the donation box there for chalk and papers. So if you have investing.
So that was one of the coolest experiences of my life. Absolutely worth the 30-minute detour and $10 to meet the amazing Maasai people. I think we all had a good time.
Yeah.
Thanks to Bon for suggesting it.
Thank you, Bon. Yeah.
Very good. We like. All right, we made it to the airport 2 hours early, and by the look of the line, it is a good thing that we did. Hopefully this is not an omen of travel to come. Almost done. I made a new friend named AJ. We hung out. His mommy took him back. I was super sad, but I'll get my kids soon enough. Chris is rocking out to some Pearl Jam. He's very happy. Ben is still annoyed that his phone is broken. Super angry. And somehow the biggest guy got the middle seat last in the row, which means 9 hours of not reclining.
Oh, you can recline.
Oh, I can recline? It reclines. I'm not climbing 18 kilometers up a mountain. It's all downhill from here.